Hey guys, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel. As you can see in this video, I am only wearing foundation and brows since for this video, I am going to match my eye makeup with my face mask. So of course, I won't be doing contour, highlight, and blush since of course, I'm going to wear a face mask for this video. Also, I hope that I get to inspire you to be creative with your makeup even though that you have to wear a face mask because of course, the coronavirus. Also, if you're thinking, Hannah, why are you doing this? I'm bored. Wala akong magawa. So in this video, I am going to do some eyeshadow look tutorials. Then, I am going to do my eyeliner, mascara, and lashes off camera. And with that, let's see what we have. So first, we have the pink face mask. So I am probably going to do a rosy or sun-kissed eyeshadow look with this. Then, second face mask, we have the blue one. The blue one. I'm honestly not sure which side you're supposed to put out, but on the camera it looks white, but it's actually blue here in person. So of course, I'm going to do a blue eyeshadow look. Then we have a black face mask. So here I'm going to do a black, gray, smoky eye makeup. Then we have a white face mask. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with this, but I think I'm just going to do a brown, smoky nude eye makeup with this. Lastly, we have a red washable face mask. So of course, I'm going to do a red eye makeup with this face mask. And with that, let's get on with the video. The first eye look, I am going to do the pink one. So, for that, I am going to use the Roman Dry Rose Eyeshadow Quad Palette. So, I actually got this eyeshadow palette from a PR box along with other Roman products from last year's Cosmopolitan BeautyCon. So if you want me to give more backstory into that, or if you want me to do a separate video on that, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and I'll make that video happen. So first, I am going to dip into this base shade. Next, I am going to add more pink pigment or a darker shade of pink to my eye. Lastly, I am going to add some sparkle to my eyes to give it more of a pop to it. Alright, now that I'm done with this eye, I'm going to do the other eye off camera along with my eyeliner, mascara, and lashes. So I'll be right back and let's see what happens. Don't remove your face mask in public. Let's move on to the next face mask. So for the blue face mask, I am going to use the Kat Von D Fetish palette for the blue eyeshadow.
Until
let's do the red eye makeup. Next makeup look, I will be doing a gray smoky eye look. Alright, so for this last makeup look, I am going to use the TV and Amore eyeshadow palette. That's the last look for today's video, and as you've observed through this video, I've been using the same false lashes multiple times, so I've been planning to do a part 2 of this video wherein I show a tutorial of how to clean false lashes. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and again, if you have any other video suggestions, don't be shy to comment down below. Also, please share this video with your friends and family. Maybe they also want to be more creative during quarantine, or maybe this video can inspire them to do some makeup. So that's it for this video. Again, please like and subscribe, and to see more updates, follow me on my Instagram. And to watch more videos, click right here. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!